In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Miro account. Miro is an online collaborative platform perfect for teams looking to brainstorm, plan, and collaborate visually. To get started, open up your browser and head over to Miro.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Sign Up Free. You can't miss it. This will kick off the process of creating your Miro account. Now, you have several options to sign up. You can use your email address, or you can choose to sign in using your existing Google, Microsoft, or Apple accounts. If you decide to go the email route, simply enter your name, work email, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. Once you've filled in your details, check your email inbox. Miro will send you a confirmation email, which is an important step to verify your account. Open the email and look for the button or link that says Confirm Your Email. A quick click on this will activate your account and set things rolling. After confirming your email, Miro will prompt you to fill in some additional details. Here, you can add your name and specify your role. This step is optional, but adding these details can help personalize your Miro experience. Next, you'll be asked about your intended use, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. This choice will help Miro tailor its features to suit your needs. Now on to setting up your team. You'll be prompted to name your team, and it's totally up to you. You might choose My Projects if it's just you, or something like Work Team if you're collaborating with others. You also have the option to invite teammates right from the get-go, but if you're not ready to do that just yet, you can choose to skip this step for now. Finally, you're ready to dive in and unleash your creativity. Click on Create a New Board, and voila! You've got a blank canvas ready for you to start mapping out ideas, projects, or whatever you need. Miro's intuitive interface allows you to easily add sticky notes, images, and other elements, fostering a space for dynamic collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully created your Miro account and are ready to explore all the collaborative wonders Miro has to offer. Whether you're working on a solo project or teaming up with colleagues, Miro makes it seamless to visualize, plan, and execute your ideas. Enjoy your new virtual whiteboard and happy collaborating.